So we have some mini carriers. This mini one. It's got a Bristol mini carrier. It feels nice and cold. Anyone that's running? Mine says it's nice and cold. Top of temperature. Here's another carrier. So guys, we got another air conditioner. Got some carriers that have Bristols. Maybe from 1993. Let's look. A little old. This one's running. Running now. We got some more. What? And guys, we even have a pane. Coolman's Grill. Got a lot of sand in it, nice and cool. Pane. Got an old sticker. Yeah, Copeland's Grill. This mini one, Bristol. Other one, it's a Bristol. We have this, looks like a mini Bryant. Bristol. Guess they all have Bristols. Yeah, and this pane, it's from 2021. Looks like it's a 4-ton. Yeah. Okay, guys. Like, subscribe. Bye, guys. See you.